Would you like to grow your business on LinkedIn? If you're a coach, a consultant, or a professional entrepreneur, I want you to know LinkedIn is a gold mine. If you want to get premium clients, more partnership opportunities, speaking engagements, the list goes on, you need to be on LinkedIn. I'm going to be sharing with you in one video a day what I like to call my 6-step LinkedIn Accelerator Expert in You method. This can help you get those premium clients, get more opportunities, get more partnerships, grow your business faster on LinkedIn. And today is number 1. And these are all E's. So the first E is engineer your strategy. If you try to go on LinkedIn and you do not have a customized strategic plan for your business, you will flail around and you will probably not get the results. In fact, you'll probably do a lot of things that will even hurt your brand, as I see so many people do. And you know what? I made the same mistakes when I first came onto LinkedIn. I used a lot of spammy marketing tactics and things that just didn't serve me. So I had to figure out, how can I make LinkedIn work? And now it is the main place I build my business, and it's the main place I teach my clients to build their business. So engineer a customized strategy. Think about what you want to accomplish on LinkedIn. Is that to get clients? Is that to grow your podcast? Is it to get speaking engagements? Is it to build partnerships and opportunities, to get referral partners? Whatever that is for you, start with the end goal and then put the steps in place to make that happen. I'm Carden. If you need help accelerating and growing your business on LinkedIn, reach out to me at acarden.com and book a call. You have an awesome day.